First of all, we want to log in with Oracle application. Then here, say example, demo 90 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here observe this one, go to system administrator and we can log in with executable. Okay, but not a problem. Executable. So what is your executable name? Sorry. No. Here, this executable. Any executable. Okay. We can retrieve any executable from any user. We don't get any problem. Okay. So even though I am also using same executable form, you are also using the same executable form. Executable, right? So here, observe this one. Suppose I change it to PL/SQL stored procedure. Save the records. Just I changes. Just I updated that report with a different execution method. Now we can run this report. What happened? The respected method doesn't show us any information. But here the executable don't have the method. The executable have the method, but it doesn't show us. It doesn't show us. But here, observe this one. Why? Because this respected method we implemented only one method only in this method, so column. And also here we have a FND executables where so executable name or executable name like so this table is going to capture the short name, right? Short name means like okay. So here the executable method is show as I. Okay, I means PL/SQL stored procedure. Okay, this is the way we are going to find out all codes and will be implemented in our query. So it is taking automatically the length of this respected column is taking long length. Once we implemented 12 codes. 12 codes means automatically we are getting 12 descriptions. Automatically the column is going to increase. Automatically it is means the performance or whatever it may be. Then here whenever execution method is coming in new execution, it is not possible to display, right? So in this point of time we are using the, so here observe this one. When we want to go for the lookup tables, basically when we want to go for the lookup tables, so whenever backend information is going to show us codes, front end it is showing, here observe this one, front end it is showing a full form of our application, back end it is showing codes, the respective codes. At the time we can go to search the lookup tables. We don't want to directly, right? First of all, whether the back end is showing codes or fully information. If it is showing codes, we can go to search the lookup tables. If it is showing full information, we don't want to go for that. Directly we can specify. So how we can do that? Here, what are the lookup tables? How we can go to find out the lookup tables? Here the lookup tables are FND lookup tables. Okay, these are the foundation tables. Here I am going to show you FND lookups. FND lookups. It is a standard table. Okay. In that FND lookups, it is showing lookup code, right? What is the code? I. Right. Then now we can go to check it. Lookup code equal to I. Again it is showing how many records. Observe this one. When I am going to execute only table, how many records? There are 33,150 records are there in that table. So when we are going to specify the condition, we sort out the data which is having only I. How many records? 118. We have only 118. Then again here, which is ours? Which is ours? Then we are going to find out. We are going to find out. Here, can be possible to understand? Here we have a meaning. Observe this one. This meaning means actual name of our front end method, right? Then here again we specify the condition is and meaning. Okay, like. So better to use the like and we can get the data. Else. SQL stored procedure. So which is ours? So first time it is having 33,000 records. Second time it is having 118. Third time we have 2 records. In that 2 records have we finalized or not? Definitely we finalize. What is that? SQL stored procedure. This is our lookup type. This is our lookup type. Now observe this one. Now I am going to specify FND lookups where lookup type equal to how many? 12? Sure? 16. Observe this one. But front end it is showing only 12. Back end how many? 16. We have 16 methods are there. But still the people does not implemented the 4 methods in front end. In front end the people does not implement it. In front end only the people showing 12. But back end how many? 16 methods are there. Have we clear? Now I want to use this table. So have you no need to use the decode functionality. Directly we can use this table. Automatically it is updated whenever the code is coming in our backend. Automatically it is replaced with our meaning. Then how we can use it? All of you clear or not? Okay. Then now I want to use this table in our query. In our query. How we can go to use that? Then here observe this one. I want to implement a new table. I want to implement a new table. FND lookups. FND lookups. The alias name is FL. So here observe this one. FL is having a keyword. Better to use FLA. So here it is having some keyword. That is the reason. Better to you should use the FLA. So don't don't use any existing keywords. Okay, then now I am using FLA. Whenever we introduce a new table in our query, what we do? Exactly. Okay, we want to join. How we are going to give the join? What is the common column between? What is the common column? Lookup code, right? Then here, where exactly the lookup code is there? FND executable. FND executable dot lookup execution method code equal to yes. FLA dot lookup code. Then now I want to execute this one. Then you can get it. How many records? How many records we are getting? The respected user, how many executables? Only 2, right? but here it is retrieve 118 records. So then here observe this one. What is the lookup type? This is the lookup type. We are going to maintain this lookup type as a hard code in our query. How we are going to specify this username as a hard code? The same manner we are going to maintain that name. Okay, FLA dot lookup type equal, this is nothing but a hard code. We can maintain the hard code. Still it is not showing any execution method. So why? Because it is not working properly. So just I comment that here I want to display FND lookups table. What is that? Meaning execution method. Got it? The execution method. So is it necessary to use this decode function?
No.
No need to required. No need to required. Clear all of you? Now I want to change it to the front end with another function, Java stored procedure. Let us save it and execute from backend. So which is the way is best? Lookup tables is the best for us. Okay. Means decode. Decode is also one of the way. Okay, while solve this problem. But compared to decode to lookup tables, lookup table is the best. Okay. Decode means we are going to enter the values manually, but decode means, lookup means directly come from the database. Directly come from the database. All of you clear? So what is the importance of lookup tables? Clear? So every requirement we have a lookup tables. Backend it is different, right? Each and every report contains a different coding. But as an end user does not understand what is the code of that. If you show A, what is the A? What is the B? What is the C? But every code is having a meaning. That meaning will be picked from the lookup table. That is the reason we want to use the lookup tables in our queries. All of you clear? So this is the functionality we want to use it. Clear? Any doubts in this session? So here observe this one. Very simple. First of all, we are going to understand what is the code. Okay. Whenever we are find out the code from the backend, okay, we are going to use the lookup tables. But backend it is showing code, front end it is showing message, means meaning. So in this point of time, we want to go for lookup tables. Then we have a standard lookup table is FND lookups. When we execute this, it will show us a list of records around 33,000. Then now I want to sort out with my lookup code. Then what is that? J. Right now it is J. Again we have 6 records. In that 6 records I want to sort out with our meaning. Java. So here. So now whenever we are getting this 2-1, we can go to compare with front end and back end and will be finalized which is the best. Now we are going to finalize first one. Once we finalize this one, now we implement this lookup type in our existing table. We implement the lookup tables. Whenever new table is involved in our existing query, we want to go to generate the join. So what is the join? Here execution method code, but in our lookup tables, lookup code. But whenever we are using that condition only, the query is retrieving so many records, but it is not a correct output. In this point of time, we want to hard code with our lookup type. Hard code means directly we can specify. We don't want to do any modification. Hard code means directly we can specify. So no one is going to change this one. If you want to change username, you can change it. But this one, no one is going to change this. That is nothing but a hard code. Hard code, HODCODE, hard coding, inbuilt means it works like as a pre-built. Right? Then once we are going to apply that respected lookup tab and will be executed. Clear? All of you. So this is the only way we want to use the lookup tables in our real life. Clear all of you? Yeah, fine. Thank you. And so first I want to stop this one.